Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. If you want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching.
Tori Dene.
Jumping right into the look, we're going to go ahead and start with the Pond's moisturizer and rub that all into the skin. Next, we're going in with the e.l.f. blurring primer and going to go ahead and put that all over the skin as well and rub it in. Then we're going to go ahead and start with the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer and go ahead and put that all over the face and rub it in as well. These 3 steps really help the makeup to stay and it just helps your face be completely moisturized and prepped for makeup application. Next, we're going in with the Got To Be Glued Brow Gel to prep the brows so that we can go ahead and start filling those in. We're going to use a spoolie as well just to straighten those out and comb them up, and then we'll go ahead and start filling them in. And here you're just seeing me fill in the brows to get them prepped for the rest of the makeup. I like how these turned out actually, and that actually wasn't the shade that I wanted to use in my brow pencil, but it's okay. Next, we're going to start on the eyes with the Revolution palette. We're just going to start with the pink, and then we're going to go into the purple shade. After that, we're going to go ahead and start on the blue, and then we'll continue on with the rest of the colors. A dark blue, and then we'll do a light blue after that. I had so much fun making this look. It was so colorful, and it just really brought out a lot of creativity in me. We're gonna go ahead and pack on that yellow shade as well. After that, we're gonna go ahead and go back to where the blue was and add a green. And then once we get through with that, we're gonna go and add an orange to the yellow as well. Lastly, we're gonna go ahead and add that pink shade and blend it out as well towards the end. Next, we're going to go ahead and put on the lashes as well. And then we'll go ahead and start with the makeup application. This is Fenty Beauty in the shade 345. We're going to go ahead and apply that to the face as well. Getting under the eyes, the chin. We're going to go ahead with the Beauty Blender and just blend that all out. And then we're going to go with the e.l.f. Camo Concealer. This is in the shade Tan Sand. We're going to go ahead and apply that and then blend that out as well. And here you just see me blending it out completely, getting under the eyes. And then we're going to go ahead and blend out the rest of the areas with that Beauty Blender, hitting the chin, and then we're going to go ahead with the Fit Me powder in shade 30 medium deep and a puff, and then we're just going to apply that all over the face as well where we put the concealer. We did warm it up on the back of my hand first before applying. I find that really helps when you're doing your makeup, and it helps it melt in really nicely. Then we're going to go ahead and go with the bronzer and add that on the cheeks and go ahead and blend that out as well. next we're gonna go ahead with the NYX Buttermilk Blush and add that to the cheeks, blending it up. After that, we're going to go back in with that same e.l.f. Camo Concealer, applying that where the nose is on each side and back on the cheeks, just to blend out that blush a bit more. And I'm just going in with a puff and blending that out. We're going to go ahead with a brown lip pencil and do the lips, outlining them, and then we're going to use a matte Superstay lipstick in the shade Poet number 60. And then we're going in with a plumping lip gloss that I found, I believe it's CVS, for the finished lip. After that, we're going to go ahead with the Make It Last setting spray by Milani and spray us down. And then we're going to go ahead and start on that highlighter. And that's pretty much the finished look. We're going to get into the slow-mos here. Thank you all for watching. I greatly appreciate it. Please like, share, subscribe, comment. What was your favorite part? What's your favorite color? And come back for my next video.
Lip gloss on the mirror line, gold on the cheek that shine. Every detail, every move feels like a sign.